If climbing stairs feels harder, lifting groceries makes your arms ache, or you're noticing your balance isn't quite what it used to be, it's not just age. It's something more specific and sneakier. It's called sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass, and it can quietly drain your strength year after year. But here's the good news. Muscle loss after 60 isn't inevitable. In fact, with the right foods, it's not only preventable, it's reversible. Now, most of us rely on eggs for protein, and they are great. But there are other foods that deliver even more protein and better support muscle strength, balance, and energy. You might even have them in your kitchen right now. So if you felt a little weaker lately, if you're worried about mobility, or if you just want to stay independent and steady on your feet, this video is for you. Before we dive in, let us know in the comments. Have you noticed changes in your strength or energy lately? Your story might help someone else feel less alone. And if you find value in videos like this, hit subscribe to Health After 60, where we share science-backed tips for healthy aging. Let's take a look at 5 powerful foods that outperform eggs when it comes to protecting muscle after 60. 1. Chicken. A muscle-preserving powerhouse. Chicken breast is more than just a dinner staple. It's a protein-rich, muscle-saving hero. A 100-gram portion gives you around 27 grams of high-quality protein, more than double what eggs provide. But chicken offers even more: creatine and leucine, 2 natural compounds that help your muscles recover and rebuild. Leucine acts like a switch telling your body to build muscle. Creatine helps with strength and faster recovery from everyday activities like walking or carrying groceries. Just make sure to cook it gently, bake, steam, or saute instead of deep frying to keep the nutrients intact. Pair it with vitamin C-rich veggies like bell peppers for even better absorption. 2. Quinoa, the tiny seed with big strength. This little grain is a complete plant protein, offering all 9 essential amino acids. Just 100 grams of cooked quinoa delivers about 14 grams of protein, plus magnesium, potassium, and iron, all crucial for strong muscles and better energy. It's also great for digestion and blood sugar balance, especially important if you're managing diabetes or fatigue. Soak it for a few hours before cooking to boost nutrient absorption and enjoy it in soups, salads, or breakfast bowls. 3. Soy. Muscle and bone support. Soy is one of the only plants that offers complete protein. But its real secret is isoflavones, plant compounds that help protect bones and joints, especially helpful after menopause or for older men. From soy milk to tofu to edamame, soy helps slow down muscle loss, maintain hormone balance, and even improve digestion and energy. Aim for about 100 to 150 grams of tofu or 1 cup of soy milk daily. 4. Lentils. Affordable strength. You can count on don't overlook lentils. They're loaded with protein, fiber, iron, folate, and magnesium. Just 1 cup gives you 9 grams of protein and supports muscle strength, digestion, and energy. They're also gentle on your system and easy to prepare. Add them to soups, salads, or stews, and soak them overnight to make them even easier to digest. 5. Cottage cheese. Strength. While you sleep. Soft, gentle, and packed with slow-digesting casein protein, cottage cheese feeds your muscles all night long, perfect to combat muscle breakdown during sleep. It's also rich in calcium for bones and B12 for brain health. Enjoy it in smoothies, soups, or paired with fruit before bed. Final thoughts. You don't need fancy diets, just simple, smart choices, whether it's chicken, quinoa, soy, lentils, or cottage cheese. Each food helps you stay strong, steady, and independent. Which one will you try